It's so good to see you here. How is the holiday? I am Eunice Karanja, the farmer's friend, and it's always a pleasure to have you. Here in this channel, we offer practical solutions on how to make more out of your farm and even how to enjoy that which you produce. In today's video, we are going to talk about guacamole. Some people call it guacamole. Other people call it guacamole. What do you call it? And we're going to learn how to make this nice, tasty salad to go with your every other food that you prepare. Let's dive in. How do we make guacamole? Come along, let's enjoy. Are you making nyama choma? It could be goat choma, it could be kuku choma, it could be your fish choma. This is your go-to salad. What do you need to make guacamole? I have got 2 Hass avocados. I have got 2 medium-sized onions and 1 tomato. And you can actually use 1 onion depending with how you like it. There are people who like a lot of onion, others like kidogo onion. So depending on what you like, you can have 1 medium-sized onion or 2 medium-sized onions. And after that, we are going to add a few things I've got here. I will explain. And so basically, what do? We start as usual by cleaning our hands, and then we clean the produce that we are making. Because remember, we are saying the salad, we make it raw, and we don't want to serve people with salad that is infested with bacteria. We don't want people to have a tummy after enjoying a very sumptuous salad. So hygiene is very important, that I cannot overemphasize. So once you get your guacamole, these ones I had already cleaned. So I had cleaned the avocados, the onions, and the tomato. So it is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Very simple. So what do? You chop your avocado. So make sure it's nice and ripe. So you get your avocado and then you make very nice slices. If you have a peeler, nowadays they have some vegetable choppers, you can use that. But at the Farmer's Friend YouTube channel, we talk about practical solutions. We don't want anybody not to enjoy saying that I didn't have this gadget or the other. So we offer practical solutions. Yeah, so these you can do at home. Anybody can do this at home. As simple as 1, 2, 3. So you get your avocado into small pieces. Avocado has remained the humble fruit that everybody likes. Almost every 10 people that you come across, 8 of them will enjoy having avocado. Actually, almost 9. We love the avocado because basically of its versatility, it can go along with almost all the meal, including ugali. So when you make your ugali, your veggies, you add avocado or guacamole if you like, it becomes very tasty. As you plan for your nyama choma this holiday, don't forget the guacamole. Guacamole. However you call it, yeah, don't forget this. It slaps very nicely. Slaps very, very, very nicely with whatever food you're making. And it's also easy to make. Yeah, very easy to make. Very, very easy to make. So this is nice well ripened, has avocado. Okay, so the next thing you do, you get your tomato. If you have a chopper, this makes it very easy. A chopper will chop it very fast. If you don't like it very juicy, you can remove the juicy fleshy part so that you just put the outer part. So it just depends on how you like it. Remember, we say food cooking is an art, just how you like it. So you chop it into tiny beautiful pieces. And you add this to the avocado mix. The next thing you add are your bulb onion, the red onion. This one you chop to nice beautiful pieces. And what do you do to prevent your eyes from tearing when you're cutting onion? Give us in the comment section so that we don't tear a lot this Christmas season. I know we'll be making a lot of kachumbari. Let us know so that we keep learning and growing together. So chop the onions into nice beautiful pieces. There you go. And then you add. So the next thing you do, you add some salt to taste. This again depends with the amount of guacamole you're making. And then your guacamole is ready as it is. But what I do, because we are also talking about health, you can add seeds. So here I've got chia seed, we have got flax seed. You can eat both of them or you can add either. The beauty with the two of them is that these ones, they are very rich in omega-3 and they are important in helping heart health. They're important in regulating blood pressure. They help in digestive. Like you can see, like the flaxseed, they are very high in fiber, and the fiber is good for improving your digestive system. So as you eat and enjoy your food, you want to have some nice gut health. So adding flaxseed or chia seed to your guacamole makes it even more healthy. So you add a scoop. You can add a scoop of flaxseed. Not a lot, again depending on how much you're making. And then you can also add your chia seed. This is absolutely optional. So if you don't have chia seed, you don't have flax seed, you don't have to worry. So this is optional, but we just want to enrich and make our guacamole even more healthy. And I can't just wait to have my guacamole. Oh my! It is very mouth-watering. So there are people who like pilipili kwa umbali ama kwa karibu. You can also add your pepper. You can add your red hot pepper, or you can leave it like this. Of course, if you want children to enjoy, many children will not enjoy something hot. So if you are having it with the children, then you cannot add pepper. But then if you are doing it for your nyama choma with your could it be your man friend or your girlfriend and they like it hot, you add some pepper to enjoy. See this, take a look. Very nice and healthy. Very delicious, very mouth-watering. Your guacamole, very easy to make, and we just want to enrich our food. We just don't want to have vegetables, we want to have salads. so that we can reap the full benefit. How do you make your guacamole? You can share with us if you have a different way of making it, so that we all keep learning. So this is our salad that we've made today, and I am sure this one you enjoy. And keep tuned to the Farmers Friend YouTube channel. Here we offer practical solutions. If this is your first time, do not forget to subscribe, share, so that others can also learn how to make guacamole at home, even as we enjoy the festive season. Enjoy your holidays and stay blessed. See you in the next one.